Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your Activist, and you can see Matt in the background. He is mowing it short right now. We are here in Edmonton on a beautiful property in a backyard, and today we're gonna do some overseeding with slit seeding. So right now we're gonna cut it short because that's required in order to have the seeds falling down more easily down into the soil system where the slit seeder will be cutting the grooves. So that's what we're doing right now, about 1.5 inches, and bag it, of course, because we don't want to have any clippings basically contaminating the seed bed. So we bag all the clippings and cut it short. Okay, step number 2, after mowing it short, now we are basically putting down a first application of seeds. So we basically go especially right along the fence because there's some exposed bare dirt patches and open ground. So that's where we want to drop some seeds too, because the machine, the slit seeder, will not fit all the way close to the fence dropping seeds. That's why we run the hand spreader to make sure we got grass all the way to the border. So now we actually have the process of slit seeding. Matt is running the slit seeder there. So this machine basically cuts grooves into the lawn and works in the seeds at the same time, which sit in front of the hopper there. So it's a one-pass machine, and this also doesn't require an additional layer of top dressing or topsoil spread over the seeds, because the machine basically provides the seed to soil contact, so we have proper germination. Okay, so with slit seeding, one of the side effects is we pull up lots of, or like some grass that sits on the surface, and that basically needs to be removed. Otherwise it will basically choke out the lawn, which is not good, because we are trying to grow a really good lawn with no choking. So now we're gonna rake them up, remove all those clumpy clippings that have been pulled up from the slit seeder. So there you have it, guys. This is the process of slit seeding a lawn, and this is one way to do overseeding and thickening up your turf, bringing in new seed cultivars, making your lawn look better and stronger in the future. So if you have any questions, comment below or shoot us a message, or check out our website yourreactivist.com, or call us 780-218-8134, and see you in the lawn.